Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Rita and my channel is all about my low carb diet obviously and the foods I make to maintain my low carb lifestyle, which is like it leads to my weight loss and weight maintenance really. Now I've lost all my weight, the extra weight that I had, and now all I'm doing is maintaining my weight at the weight I want, which is on my 5'2" height. 60 kgs, I'm around 60 kgs is about right. So obviously my low carb lifestyle includes the foods I make, how I make them, so that these foods keep me healthy, fit, strong and maintain my weight at the weight I like. So today's recipe is exactly that. And it's so easy actually. You know, one of the things I hate is spending too much time in the kitchen. And especially now that it's heating up here, the summer is here almost. You know, March, April, May, June are the hottest months here in India. So I want to spend as little time as possible in the kitchen. So today's recipe is quick but tasty. Let's see what I'm going to do. So let me show you what I have here. I have about a kilo, maybe a little more than a kilo of chicken, which I have rubbed with garlic paste, chili powder and turmeric. I took about this size of garlic and I made them into a paste. I took about a teaspoon of turmeric and about a tablespoon of red chili powder. And I mixed it and rubbed it into my chicken, which I did about a couple of hours back. But you need not marinate it really. You can mix the spices and cook it straight away. I had time, so I just mixed it and I kept it in the fridge for a couple of hours. So let's get cooking now. So I have put I think a couple of tablespoons of butter. As you know, I just cook in butter. I don't use industrially produced oils to cook my food in. And I'm letting the butter heat. So the butter is melted nicely. It's salted butter. Oh, and I forgot to mention, I also added salt in my chicken when I rubbed it with the garlic, the chili powder and the turmeric. So now what I'm going to do is put the chicken in. It's such a simple and easy dish, but it's so delicious. So I'm putting the chicken in. It's nicely heated and it's smelling lovely. As you put the chicken in, you can smell the garlic and the chili powder. Just put each of the pieces of chicken in. One of the things I like is to keep my cooking methods very simple, very quick, yet tasty of course. I've got a little bit of juice here. I'll just put them all in. So I put all the chicken pieces in and I'm going to stir it about. My flame is on low. Stir it. Mix it all up nicely. I haven't put too much fat because the chicken, as you can see, has the skin on, so it's going to give off a lot of fat. Now I'm going to increase the heat and let it cook a little faster. Mix it, stir it. Lovely smell. My principle of cooking is to keep it simple, easy and tasty. And that's what I follow. If you haven't seen my last video, it's the mincemeat video I had made. I'm going to give you the link in the description below and it will also pop up at the end of this video. So that's it. Nothing much else to do with this. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to cover it, reduce the heat and let the chicken cook. Once in a while I'll come and check whether it's sticking to the bottom or not. I'm not going to add any more water because the chicken will give off water by itself. and I'll let it cook in its own juices. It will take about 30 minutes, maybe 45 minutes. That's about the time when the chicken will be completely cooked. So my chicken has been cooking now for about half an hour. I gave it a little more time, I think about 40 minutes. And as you can see, it's bubbling and steaming away. So let me take off the lid and let's see what's happening inside. Oh yes, look at that. So I've been coming occasionally and stirring it so that it doesn't stick at the bottom. And the chicken is perfectly cooked. Stir it about, stir it about. And as you can see, it's given off its own water. So you needn't add any more water. I can increase the heat and dry out the gravy a little more. So when you dry out the gravy, what happens, it turns out like a tandoori chicken, and it tastes like tandoori chicken too. So that's a good thing to do. Or you can keep the gravy, whatever you feel like doing. But this is smelling lovely, beautiful chicken. So that's it. That's all you need to do. It's simple, easy, but tasty, garlicky chicken. I love it. Doesn't it look lovely? That's it. So I'm going to put the heat off, and that will be my one meal a day for today. So that's it for today. Did you see how easy and simple it was? But it is very tasty. It tastes a little, the more you dry it and have it as a dry chicken, it tastes like tandoori chicken. So try it out and see whether you like it or not. And leave me comments about it when you cook it and tell me if you liked it or not. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel, of course, and comment. That's it. Bye for today. Oh, and of course, I keep forgetting to say that. I'm an artist also. So at the end of every video of mine, I put up an artwork of mine. So enjoy that too. Bye. See you next time.